was gonna be something nice for us. I had faith.
The fucking
Besides that
NC.
Shimakaze.
Yeah, well, we got this Moines, so. Just remember, you're faster than me by like 2 kilometers.
Yeah, yeah. I'll just go quarter to no speed.
And remember, he'll fuck you up if he fucking gets his hands on you.
General quarters.
I've one-shotted Iowas before. Right through the face. 4 Citadel hits. I'm gonna push for BB.
Yeah. I'd like to see this Carolina sometime soon. That'd be nice.
They have a carrier? No, they don't. Thank God.
What's the AA like on the Yamato? Fucking heavy.
Yours is better.
Oh shit.
Yep. I got better secondaries, but my AA is lacking.
Secondaries are ridiculous. I've 1v1 and it's not fun.
Yeah, on a Yamato, they're silly. Like, my
What's
secondaries.
the range on it?
10?
Yeah, that's fucking stupid.
They don't hit that often at 10 though, so don't worry.
No, but I've seen like fucking 50 shots come at me and then I've caught fire.
Yeah, I've done fucking 60k worth of damage with a Yamato before my secondaries. Oh god, Jay, what are you doing? You're gonna die. Ooh, oh god. Fucking 13K.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Oh god. There he is. There's the fucking ugly face. And he's already shooting. Those some nice hits, but he didn't hit anything. Aim, I want to get him on my side. Go. I'm slowing down.
Nice, that means I got a money fight over here.
Alright.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go aggressive. If you guys got the Yamato.
Huh.
Yeah, I get a Fuso.
I get a fucking Yamato.
Good joy, pal.
Oh!
I might get a
Citadel.
shot.
Citadel the fucking Yamato, 1 hit.
I actually might have a shot. It's a broadside, he's just out of my range. But the Fuso. Fuso is gonna get smoked.
You can take Fuson, right?
Dude, come on. My shots off one time.
Hey, look, Torp. Torp's behind us, by the way. Yep, I see them. I'm gonna eat 1, 2. Yeah.
Our team has taken the lead.
just fucking gonna go bully style. Oh, this Megami's dead. Oh, I didn't want to do my third shot, motherfucker. Are they turning around? Is this something I should be told? Before I get
They're coming your way.
fucking open? Fuck.
Sorry, we're behind you. We're coming up right now. I'm already shooting for some.
I'm full shot though, stop.
Fucking fall
I
back.
have to fire on the Yamato. Full stop. He's not firing at me.
Firing on Fuso.
Fire on the designated
Oh, this is
target.
gonna hurt you,
All
Fuso.
stations requesting fire on the designated
And it did. I call Citadel right about now.
When I get shot, I'll sit at home for sure if you don't.
Fucking missed it. Fucking turned.
Oh shit, that gets me first.
Hit you.
Fuck you. Are you fucking kidding me?
Sorry, got him probably. Just keep it.
Absolutely terrible.
Yeah, I see. He's number one fucking. Do I want to get committed to this fuckfest? Nope.
I
Four
wish I was
star.
watching the map more. I just thought I had. I thought you guys had the Yamato, so I was keeping the go. I didn't realize they were all turning back.
Hey, look, torpedoes. Good thing I didn't go that way.
For sure.
Look, there's a Pensacola on our side. I think it's gonna be a dead fucking Pensacola. There's the Yamato.
Pretty sure those were his shots.
Yeah.
The enemy team is taking the lead.
I still got advantage on him. I already citadeled him once.
mark over.
What?
Concentrate fire.
These two.
Stations requesting fire support.
Yup.
Reporting the position of a priority target.
North Cal too.
Can't dodge this. Where is Yamato going?
All stations,
Fucking rush
concentrate
Yamato.
fire on the target.
I will fucking
Concentrate
ram
fire
him.
on the target.
We got advantage.
Stations reporting the position of a strategic target.
That's cute. Got your fucking engine.
Our victory is in sight.
The attack already.
Nope, busy ducking torps.
Stations requesting fire support.
I'm gonna eat one. Yamato's dead. That's it. That's fucking game for them.
Oh my god, it's time.
Fucking. Oh, Citadel. Is he gonna hit land? Oh, please do.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Yeah, that DD is nearby.
My guess would be he's right in front of you somewhere.
If he is, he dies. He knows that. He'll kill me, but I'll kill him too.
Here's someone's somewhere.
I'm thinking... I think I know where he is. He's by that fucking alley.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're coming right out into an opening. He's definitely not behind you on the left side. You would have to, yeah, he would have to be on the right side. He'd have to be out front.
Well, Ibuki just got fucking citadeled.
dude. If he kills, I might end the game. I'm talking about this Otago.
I ain't worried about a North kill.
Nah, he doesn't want to.
All stations, concentrate
He's
fire
far.
on the target.
Otago's too far.
And Baltimore's.
No. He's got this.
It's finally one.
That was light as fuck.
That's because I already took a whole bunch of them to my side. There he is.
I think you still have your whisper setting.
I really want to sing that fucking.
Our team has taken the lead.
Shots.